Okay, so next up here in this demo, we're going to take a look at a privileged remote access session. So this is a remote access session. We're going to go into a target server. So what we're going to do is select our secret here. So we have a secret here for this demo. And then what we're going to do is now take a look at our options that are provided to us. One is open with remote access. So what this is going to do is once I click on this, it's going to provide me with a list of servers I can select from. So I'm going to pick on this, select this number 2 here, and then we're going to click continue. You're going to see that it opens up a new tab up here in the top. So this is going to then open up this session, does a tunnel into this particular target server, 443 SSL, and now we're in the server, secure session. We have all the options available to us on the right-hand side here with file transfer all the way to screen captures and so forth. So brings us right in here. You saw how easy that was to click and pick and go right into the target server. Thank you.